Hey everyone! Welcome back to Raminmark. If you're new here, my name is Ruhul Amin, and I'm a professional digital marketer, founder of Raminhub and Raminmark, and a Photoshop expert. Today, I'm reviewing a must-have grooming tool that's making waves in the market, the Bevel Professional Hair Clippers and Beard Trimmer for Men. If you're looking for a high-quality, professional-grade trimmer that delivers precision and style, this video is for you. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's start. The Bevel Professional Hair Clipper and Beard Trimmer comes in sleek and premium packaging. Inside the box, you get the bevel trimmer in a stylish black finish, charging cable and adapter, a precision trimming guide, cleaning brush for maintenance. Right out of the box, the trimmer feels sturdy and premium. It has a nice weight to it, weighing about 2.2 pounds, giving a solid grip for precision trimming. The all-black design looks super classy and professional, definitely a statement piece for your grooming station. Precision trimming and styling. This trimmer is designed for ultimate precision. Whether you're shaping your beard, doing a lineup, or trimming your hair, it gives you a sharp and clean finish every time. The high-quality blades ensure you get a smooth cut without irritation. Perfect for all hair types. Barber quality performance. If you're looking for professional results, this trimmer is a game changer. It has a powerful motor that cuts through hair effortlessly, making it ideal for both personal and salon use. No snagging, no pulling, just smooth, seamless trimming. Cordless convenience. One of my favorite things about this trimmer is that it's cordless. Say goodbye to annoying tangled wires. The wireless design allows free movement, so you can trim comfortably without restrictions. Extended battery life. This trimmer packs an impressive 4-hour rechargeable battery. That's more than enough time for multiple grooming sessions. And trust me, you won't have to worry about charging it every day. Perfect for barbers, travelers, or anyone who loves long-lasting battery performance. Sleek and durable design. Not only does it perform well, but it also looks super stylish. The matte black finish adds a modern and professional touch, and it's built with high-quality materials to ensure durability. Pros: high-precision trimming for a sharp and clean look, powerful motor for smooth and effortless cutting, cordless design for maximum mobility, 4-hour battery life for extended use, sleek and durable build for long-term reliability, ideal for all hair types, whether thick or fine. Cons: slightly heavier than other trimmers due to premium build, higher price point, but worth it for the quality. Overall, the pros far outweigh the cons, making this one of the best trimmers on the market. So, is the Bevel Professional Hair Clipper and Beard Trimmer worth it? Absolutely. If you're serious about grooming and want barber quality results at home, this is the perfect trimmer for you. Whether you're a professional barber or just someone who loves to stay well-groomed, the Bevel Trimmer is a fantastic investment. If you're interested in getting your hands on one, I'll drop a link in the description below. Be sure to check it out. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to Raminmark for more honest product reviews. Also, drop a comment below and let me know which grooming tool you want me to review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay sharp and stay stylish.